this guide, we're going over how you can complete the Colossal Titan raid here on Attack on Titan Revolution. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the Colossal Titan raid right here is by far one of the hardest raids right now in Update 4. It's mainly meant for in-game players. As you can see, you do have to be Prestige 2+ in order to even activate it. But being around Prestige 5 is going to give you a much better chance of actually clearing it. But essentially the raid itself has two different phases. In phase 1, you're going to spawn on the wall and you have to stop the Colossal Titan from reaching Aaron. During this phase, you cannot damage the boss with normal attacks. You're going to have to use those cannons. And you're going to need something and someone protecting, of course, Aaron as well from the Titan horde that'll also be coming in, because if Aaron dies, the raid fails. Now, once the Colossal Titan reaches about 50% HP, phase 2 starts, and in phase 2, you can actually upgrade and use your abilities, but you do need to aim for the nape to actually deal real damage to the Colossal Titan nonetheless. This boss hits extremely hard, so do not rush in without timing your attacks. That's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.